This is Mel. Welcome to another episode of Living Alone Diaries.
Great news! Guess who got their first collab? Listen, you say if you cook the oxtail and it's not falling off the bone, then you can't cook, okay? Right. Yeah! Welcome back to the channel. If y'all want to see what's coming up next, continue watching. Hey guys, so this portion of the vlog is sponsored by Baba La Bags, and they sent me their nice Gucci bag. Let's unbox it together, child, because I'm pretty excited, okay? Cutesy and go. Y'all, catch the design, very cute, and it has an adjustable strap, so either you can wear it a long way and looking cute, right? A lot of storage, so you can put whatever y'all want to put it in there. Very cutesy. And remember, if y'all want to get this bag, product link will be in my description, the link to the website, and don't forget to use my promo code FN4927. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. And we're out on the road. All right guys, we're headed out on the road. Family time, road trip, right gang? Right, yes. Welcome back to the vlog. To Saturday, yeah, and we have a full house with everybody. Period. And they're having ackee and saltfish for breakfast. Yeah. Go do ackee and saltfish. Period. Breakfast. Yes. Sorry. We have a room full. That's my man. I always start at the hardware with getting a car seat cover for the car. I'm addicted to the way you ride it when you're screaming. Trying to touch your soul when I'm out and can you feel me? You don't see me, baby. I'm good with us. Baby, I want you to scream. Not in a bad way, but you the better lay. I'ma take you to a new place. Close your eyes and go to sleep. I got my package. Yeah, paid. You know me, I wake up and it was in from morning with the panel. I've been on the road since morning.
I'm starting wanna taste all of your flavors. No position, yeah, baby, listen. We waking up on the neighbor.
Go on again, auntie. Yeah. Yeah, guys, rice and peas done. Listen, you say if you cook the oxtail and it's not falling off the bone, then you can't cook, okay? Right. And then we have the rice. Alright, there's a sheep. Some mashed potatoes, fried chicken, and that's Sunday dinner, y'all. Comment and tell me what you're having for Sunday dinner. I just show you the man to give you money. Hey, alright. Yo, guess what? I got my first luxury bag. Period. Put in that work, sis. Cute. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's Monday and we're heading to St. Elizabeth. We're also gonna stop at the beach, so tag along with us. YouTube, my oven clothes. Too much breast one. I have on clothes YouTube, yeah. So yeah, we'll pick y'all up back when we get to St. Elizabeth, right? Anyone go my camera belly? Big foodie. Guys, right to somebody in there. Guys, come like the whole of the heat down at St. Elizabeth, my dear. Hot, so we stop at the ATM for a quick check. Here we see. And I want like a tree of cool down because the sun is so hot, bro. No, Black River still can't recover from Melissa. Oh my god. Just the way you like it, baby. Turn it quickly into an all-nighter, maybe. Your sex drive, it match my sex drive. Then we be moving this fast, it's a NASCAR ride. Switch gears, slow down, go down, whoa now. You can feel every inch of it when we intimate. I use my tongue, baby. I leave you sprung. Kinda windy. Guys, we just got at the beach, but it windy and the water look rough. Sea look rough today. Look like we chose a bad day to come to the beach, but anyways, we are come to enjoy ourselves and that's what we're gonna do, right? So I'm waiting on the girls to get changed so we can go into the water and have fun. What I mean, whenever I come so far, if we don't come into the water, period. Alright y'all, so we're probably look into the water now. Yeah, water. Alright guys, I'm gonna enjoy myself, so I'm picking up back when we come out of the water. Beach day with the crew. Period. Do not enjoy yourself? Yeah. Period. Guys, I will spend 10 minutes in the water of the road. Bodo jerk chicken for me. Guys, I promise y'all I didn't forget about you guys. I know the vlog going to be late. I realized that I'm really slacking up because I think the last two videos, and I know I've been slacking off because I think the last two videos have been uploaded late. But I promise y'all it's going to be worth the wait, okay? But today is Tuesday and everyone is leaving. So I'm going back to being the little loner I am. But I'm going to talk to guys. But
You know, when you just did it, everybody like, oh, post the content, post the content, post the content. It does work. And I realized if you really want to get into content creating, then you really have to be consistent with it right through. Because trust me, I did not know that anybody would have reached out to me because remember, I said my channel is small. You know? Well, one thing it's small, but it's attracting views. That's one thing I can't complain about. I'm rather those views them come in faster than the subscribers because once you get the views, then you know the subscribers is gonna come in after. But I'm super happy. I'm proud of myself and. Guess what? They even want to work with me. So I guess the brand them ready for the girl. I guess the brands are ready for your girl. Period. The big brands are ready for me. Woo! But yeah, I'm super happy about that. I did have a couple other persons that reached out, but I didn't want to work with them. So I'm very skeptic on who I work with because of some reason I'm very skeptic about that. But I had a great time. The weekend was a blast. I enjoyed myself. I didn't record much, but me get what me can get. Because as you all know, not everybody want the camera open at them face every minute. And honestly, sometimes I get carried away when you remember saying, hey, catch this moment. But it was worth it, y'all. And then like oh my god, Black River still mash up, St. Elizabeth still mash up, like look how long Melissa passed and all now come back Jamaica can't even go back to its norm or the normal how it was before. Because yesterday we driving through Black River, like somebody tree them still dry up, guys, like oh my god. And I was speaking to one of the family members and he was like, they just got back like probably a month or so ago from last year. That's crazy. And look how the summer so hot. Can you imagine what them did go through? Like who no have what them call it? Cooler system. I don't know how them did manage during that time because me feel like I go crazy because media cool Manchester and the place hot so and imagine down St. Elizabeth where the place just a burn up and them not have no left on like a fan and then look sitting there. Oh my god. But one thing I'm gonna say, spend time with your family before nothing happens to them. Enjoy them when they're alive and strong because those will be the best moments. Meet them always cause me some me love video and me love take picture and everything, and that's okay because one day everybody going past and that's the only thing that we are going to have to remind us of all the good times we have. So we need those memories to be on right through. Anyways, y'all, this is the end of this vlog. And don't forget to go and shop with my girl Monica to get your nice Gucci bag or your nice luxury items because you do have some nice things on